Hello and welcome back. Hope you are excited to bust the myth number 7. That is, sales doesn't have growth opportunities. Yes, sales is a dead end profession, but the end may be at the very top level or top position of the organization. More than 85% of all the leaders of all businesses and entrepreneur giants have started their career as sales representatives. They did cold calls, they gave product demos, they traveled miles to meet clients, they handled objections. Sales is most lucrative not only in terms of earnings, but it is much more beneficial to grow professionally to any level if one is ready to take up challenges and responsibilities. The requirement for reliable sales leaders are always in demand. So there are ample growth opportunities in sales. Here we bust the myth number 7. More power to you and all the best.